Let's take a look at this example. Look at these two terms. I have AB and AB. I can factorize these two variables from these two terms. And let's take a look at this term and this term. We have CD. So I'm going to factorize CD from these two terms. Let's take a look what I'm going to get from this factorization. So I have AB, and inside of the parentheses I'm going to have CD or CD naught, and I'm going to have OR, and I'm going to factorize right now CD from these two terms. So I have CD, and inside of parentheses I'm going to have AB or AB naught. Now let's take a look at this expression. We have CD, this is AND, or CD naught, this is NAND. So we can say that these two terms are complements to each other. That's why I'm going to write A, B, and anytime I have complements or together, the output from that expression is always equal 1. Or I have CD, I have very similar situation also over here, because I have AND gate, I have AB, and I have AB naught, this is NAND gate. So again I have complements or together. That's why this is equal 1. This is something similar like we had before. We had A naught or A is equal 1. And the same story happens over here. AB or AB naught. These are also the complements, that's why this is equal 1. AB times 1 is AB, or CD times 1 is CD. That's why my answer is AB or CD.